Hi class, welcome to week 2 of PC101. I just wanted to make a short introduction to the writing that you have this week. So you can find the writing by going to week 2. Now there's going to be 2 sections or 2 portions of the writing assignment. You have a midweek assignment due before the gathering and then a writing assignment after the gathering. So let's just quickly take a look at that. So this is called writing practice. You'll want to note or be aware that every writing assignment is going to have something called a rubric. This is the rubric for the assignment due midweek. So they want you to have a topic sentence, which indicates a single one idea, and then a topic sentence. And we're going to talk about each one of those right now. Okay, so you can actually find a document that will basically walk you through the entire assignment by clicking on this link right here, and it opens up a Word document, and pretty much you just have to fill in the blue areas. So right here you write your name, and then under here you are just doing the topic sentence. So I feel like the course could be a little bit clearer in showing you what they want. Let me clarify what they're asking really for the midweek assignment. So they explain the paragraph as having 4 different parts: the controlling idea, the topic sentence, the support, and the conclusion. I actually would recommend that you just ignore that controlling idea because it's really confusing. So I would recommend that you just talk about or think about that first idea as a topic sentence. And I think it will clarify any confusion. So for that topic sentence, we really just want to reuse words from our question. So when I look at this question, why am I enrolled in Pathway Connect? If I underline the word Pathway Connect, if it'll let me. Okay, so here I have Pathway Connect that's important, enrolled. And so we're going to take these words and rewrite them or reuse them for our topic sentence. Okay, so let's see what we get. I am enrolled in Pathway because, and then that's pretty much it. You just fill in the rest. And this is what, if I can get my pen to work, here we go. And so this sentence basically is what your topic sentence will be. I am enrolled in Pathway Connect because blank. And if you want, you can list 2 or 3 things, but I would not recommend making it super long. I see that students have a tendency to make their sentences really long. That's not the goal. The more concise or the more shorter that you can be, the better. And then this is all you're going to turn in for midweek, is that topic sentence. It's not so long. And then for the end of week, you are going to take this topic sentence that you've created and look at any comments that I give you on ways to improve that. And then you are going to add support. So the rubric, if we look closely at the rubric for the midweek, it asks us actually to have 2 different types of support. Okay, let's look at that closer. So again, we want to make sure that we're going to look at our rubric. And for the supporting details, it says the paragraph contains 2 types of supporting details. So it can be fact, expert testimony, statistics, personal experience. And since this paragraph is about yourself, I would recommend include one of those support details being your personal experience about why you are starting Pathway, and then one of the other listed things. So at a minimum, at the smallest amount, your paragraph is going to have 4 sentences. Okay, so let's look at those 4 sentences that you're going to have. One sentence, I'm going to type this because my handwriting doesn't look so good. Sentence 1 is going to be your topic sentence, which is why you enrolled in Pathway. Sentence 2 is going to be probably personal experience. Sentence 3 is going to be your choice of another support. And then sentence 4 is going to be the conclusion. And the conclusion really just summarizes everything. It's basically a restatement of your topic sentence, but not word for word. Okay, and if you have questions, I'm happy to help you. Okay, happy writing. Bye.